Vera Lily Charleston is being promoted as a charming, story-driven boutique with big closing sales and handcrafted fashion. But the real question is whether it's actually a legit local brand or just another online store using boutique-style marketing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Small fashion boutiques do exist, and many operate online without physical stores. However, here's the key point. Vera Lily shows multiple strong red flags that match known scam-style clothing sites. There are some surface positives. The website presents a clean, emotional brand, story stylish product photos, claims of handcrafted or curated designs, large discounts, and closing sale messaging. But these are exactly the elements used to create quick trust. There are several major concerns. First, the closing sale tactic. The site heavily pushes 70% to 80% off with a "we're shutting down" story, which is a very common urgency strategy used by dropshipping stores, not a genuine business closure. Second, extremely low trust score. Independent checks give the site a very low trust rating, around 14 out of 100, indicating high risk. Third, no real brand presence. There is no verifiable history, physical boutique, or strong social footprint, which is unusual for a legitimate Charleston-based store. So, is Vera Lily Charleston real or fake? It's likely a real website that sells products, but not a genuine local boutique brand. The bottom line is this. Vera Lily Charleston shows strong signs of a high-risk, marketing-driven clothing site, especially with its fake closing sale narrative and lack of transparency. If you're expecting true boutique quality or a real Charleston brand, this is likely not it. If you want, I can break down a quick checklist to spot these fake boutique stores instantly. They all follow almost the exact same pattern. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.